Hello folks, Dave Schulke here, Twin Home Experts. I'm in a bathroom and wanted to go ahead and show you how to remove mold from your bathroom ceiling. Alright folks, so two things you have to really confirm. Is the type of mold from dew point, meaning just from the steam that's not properly being vented out your window or a fan? A lot of times you can determine if you've got dew point when you have all of those black little spots everywhere. That's actually a much easier mold removal process than what I'm about to show you. The bathroom that we're in is actually caused by a leak inside the ceiling here. It's actually a rain leak from the roof. So as you can see here, a little closer, the mold that we're dealing with here. The black toxic mold called Stachybotrys. So we've got it here and here, and if we use our moisture meter, we've got 100% moisture that's inside that ceiling. So if you're going to remove this type of mold, there is a protocol that you have to follow so you don't cross-contaminate into the home. So the first step we're going to do before we deal with this type of mold is we're going to build a zipper door containment, which consists of some really good sticky tape and some thick plastic. The doorway gets covered up, so as we're opening this up, we're not blowing any of these mold spores inside the home. Now if you have an air duct vent in your bathroom, that also needs to get sealed off. So let's go ahead. Alright folks, so just wanted to show you how what the homeowner did is they attempted to try to seal stuff off, but this is painter's plastic. It's very thin. You don't want to use this for any type of protection. It's just not going to do any justice to protecting your indoor air, as well as the type of tape. As you can see, there's a lot of ways for any type of mold spores to get through this, so this is kind of a waste of time. What we like to do is when we're performing any type of mold inside the home, and if it requires removing wet, moldy materials such as drywall, wood, we love using, this has got a UV light. So we plug this in outside the containment area, and what this is going to do is just going to help scrub the air and keep the indoor air clean while we're working inside the bathroom. It's pretty loud, but let me show you what it sounds like. Alright, now we're ready to go ahead and build our zipper door containment. Okay, we're outside the bathroom doorway here, and as you can see, we used the proper tape so it doesn't peel the paint off when we go to remove all of this. And then we use a double-sided sticky tape, which we're going to apply our 6mm over this doorway here. And the plastic that we use is, again, 6mm, it's very thick. So let's go ahead and apply it here on top of this sticky tape. Okay, so now that we've applied the plastic, we put another layer of our green tape over the plastic, and this completely seals off the containment here. All right, then we install a zipper. This allows you to gain access coming in and out of the bathroom without tearing up the plastic barrier here. All right, so As you can see here, just want to point out, you know, a proper mask and a proper suit offers a lot of protection, so you don't get any mold spores. So just something to consider when you're doing abatement. So as you can see, we've already opened up part of the ceiling here, and we've bagged and hauled away. We're going to continue opening up at this level here to complete the demolition process here. So just wanted to give you an insight on some of the steps that we take here. Also, we did have a dehumidifier here overnight. This is a piece of equipment here to extract all the excess moisture from the ceiling. Very, very, very important to have when you're doing mold remediation and you have wet walls or wet ceilings. Treated the wood with our combat. We've taken out all the ceiling that had mold. And this is our treatment here. We've also fogged the entire bathroom here and wiped all the walls down, HEPA-vac. We're going to go ahead now and pull our dehumidifier out now that we've got everything dry. We'll do our nice final wipe down. And that'll complete the mold remediation when it comes to your bathroom ceiling.